Hi, today I want to show how easy it is to create a chat in a Firebase AI Logic to edit an image iteratively. So the point is I can upload a picture and then input my prompt one by one to generate the image I desire, or I start from a fresh idea to generate an image using NanoBanana and gradually change it to the way I want by submitting one or more prompts. Let's try to use Firebase AI Logic multi-turn chat to edit an image. So I upload this image, and the image appears in the chatbot. Let's click the Start Conversation button to enable the text area. So please make the background a coffee shop where Stormtrooper are the waiters and cashier. So Gemini Nano is using this original image and my prompt to generate a new one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 Stormtroopers. Okay, so please replace Darth Vader with Anakin Skywalker. I want to recreate the scene where Obi-Wan, Kenobi, and Anakin Skywalker fought before Anakin became Darth Vader. Oh, okay, nice. So, and then please replace Yoda with Obi-Wan Kenobi, and his lightsaber is blue. And so okay. Let's see if the NanoBanana model can execute 2 changes. The first change is to replace Yoda with Obi-Wan Kenobi, and the lightsaber is blue instead of green. And okay, please change the lightsaber of Anakin to red. Why did NanoBanana change both lightsaber to blue? I only asked to change the lightsaber of Obi-Wan Kenobi to blue. Based on my experience, NanoBanana will do a very poor job to restore the lightsaber's color to red. This is what I'm worried about. Like either both lightsabers are blue or both are red. You know what? I give up. I'm gonna end the conversation. So let's try the create mode where I enter a prompt to generate the first image, and then add more prompts to fine tune it to the way I want. So I like Star Wars movies, so I'm going to stick to this theme. So let's create an image where Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader fight. Is it in the in front of Darth Sidious, who is sitting on his throne and cover his face with his cloak. Sand. Okay, nice. Let's start the conversation. I want the fight to happen inside the Death Star, and the character and the rest of the original image stays the same. Now I'm very jealous. The lightsabers have the right color this time. Okay. And I want to add some characters in the background to watch the duel. Please add Yoda, Obi-Wan, Kenobi, I don't know, Mace Windu, and Darth Maul, Darth, is it Dookan? And a few Stormtroopers. I know, let's pray NanoBanana can generate something half decent. Okay, Yoda, Obi-Wan Kenobi, nice. Okay, add a Stormtrooper on each side of the steps. I want to add maybe one Stormtrooper on each step on the left side, and maybe Stormtroopers on the right side. Oh, nice. And Halloween is coming up, so let's change the head of Darth Sidious to Jack the Lantern. Yeah, this could be Star Wars, the Halloween edition, where everyone's head is replaced with Jack the Lantern. Come on, Jack the Lantern. Oh my god, I love this. Very good. And I add some Jack the Lantern on the ground. Let's see what. I want to add some Jack the Lanterns, like at the front. And I want to save this. I want to save this image. I need to be more specific next time. Oh, okay. I love this image. Let me save it. And I like it. Okay, let me end the conversation and start showing the code. I have way too much fun and I forgot why I record this video. So now I'm going to show the code. In my Firebase service, I have a Gemini model that is a generative model. And this Gemini model uses NanoBanana to generate image. So in this service, I add a new method called createChat that uses Gemini model to start a chat. And this start chat method returns a chat session instance. And then in my new conversation edit service, I have three methods. Start edit, which is to start a new conversation. Edit image accepts my written prompt and the previous image to generate a new one. A helper method to get the parts back from the NanoBanana. And finally, end edit is to end the conversation and destroy the chat session. So I have a chat signal that store either a chat session or undefined. I mean, this chat is undefined unless I click the start conversation button in the UI. And when the button is clicked, the start edit method is invoked to create a new chat session, and I store the chat instance in the chat signal. And end edit is also very straightforward. I set the chat signal to undefined to destroy the chat session. So when I upload a new image, a new chat session is created with no prior history. So the most important method of the conversation edit service is edit image. It accepts a written prompt and the previous image and asks NanoBanana to generate a new one. So here, if the chat signal is undefined, create a new chat session, and then pass the chat session, the prompt, and the image to the get generated parts helper method to get a response back. So in here, I make sure the mean type and the image data are like valid before constructing an object with inline data property. Otherwise, the inline data part is undefined. So when inline data part is defined, the message is an array of prompt and the inline data. Otherwise, it is an array of prompt. Next, I send the message to the chat session and ask NanoBanana to return a response. So let me see. So NanoBanana returns some inline data parts or undefined. So when the inline data parts returns undefined, I default the result of the helper method to an empty array. Now back to edit image. Now back to the edit image method. So I iterate the inline data parse. If the part is a text, I store the text in the in part text. If the part is an image data, so I destructure the inline data to obtain the image data and the meme type. When the data and the meme type are provided, I construct a object with the inline data and the base 64 encoded string. And in here, the text is either like an empty string or the text that the NanoBanana returns. So the UI part is also very straightforward. So in the template, when I click the send button to submit my new prompt, the event, the custom event triggers the handle send prompt method to generate a new image based on my new prompt and the previous image. So in here, the loading flag is set to true to show some spinners. And in here, I add 2 messages to the chatbot. The first message is a user message, which displays my new prompt. And the second message is an AI message that shows the response of NanoBanana. So at first, the AI message will show AI is busy, AI is generating an image, and then the edit image method of the surface occurs, and I get the inline data, the base 64 encoded string, and the text back. Now I update the AI message according to the message ID, and I replace that message with the base 64 encoded string to render the new image and the text to provide the description, like, oh, here is your edited image. Next, I update the last edit image signal with the new inline data. So when I submit a new prompt, the new, like the AI generated image is used with my new prompt to generate the next AI image. And finally, the loading flag is turned off, and the spinners go away. So this is basically the whole design of the multi-turn chat to generate images using NanoBanana, Angular, and Firebase AI Logic. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something about NanoBanana, Angular signals, and Firebase AI Logic. So goodbye and have a good day.